Wait, before you started learning data science randomly, let me give you a clear roadmap. Did you know that companies like Netflix, Google, and Amazon use data science every single second to recommend what you watch or buy next? Imagine if you could build similar data-driven solutions. In this video, I will show you exactly what data science is, why Python dominates it, and how you can start learning today step by step. Stay till the end to get your complete learning map. So first, what is data science? In a simple way, data science is the field where you collect data, clean it, analyze it, and use it to make better decisions or predictions. For example, predicting weather, stock prices, customer behavior, or even detecting fraud in the banks. Data science combines three skills: mathematics and statistics, programming knowledge, business understanding. And don't worry, we will break this down step by step in this playlist. But why is Python the king of data science? Here, there is a quick history of Python. So Python was created in the late of 1980s by the Guido van Rossum, but it became popular in data science because it is simple, readable, and has powerful libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and scikit-learn. Before Python, data analysis was dominated by commercial languages like SAS and MATLAB, which were expensive and not beginner-friendly. Python changed that by being open source and versatile. That's why today, most data analysts and data scientists start this Python. When you learn data science, you can analyze business data to drive a decision, build machine learning models to predict outcome, automate data tasks to save time, virtualize data to find hidden insights, and even transition into career like data analyst, data scientist, or machine learning engineer. You don't need to be a PhD to start. You just need a clear path and commitment. Here there is how you can start. Install Python on your computer. You can start Python from python.org as the website of Python. But for data science, it's better to install Anaconda, which comes with all data science libraries pre-installed. So you can use or set up Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter is an interactive coding environment where you can write code, see results instantly, and add notes, which is perfect for data analysis. Alternatively, use Google Colab. Colab is free online and runs on Google servers. So you don't need to install anything, just log in your Google account. So there is Jupyter and Google Colab. So which one can I use? If your laptop is slow or you want to share notebooks easily, use Colab. If you want to work offline or with large data files on computer, use Jupyter. And don't worry, in this playlist I will show you both options in detail. If you are completely new to Python, I recommend watching my Python for Beginners playlist here on TechBK. Before dive deep into data science, it covers everything from variables to loop to functions, everything you need as a foundation. Finally, let's look at Drew Conway's famous data science Venn diagram. It shows data science sits at the intersection of hacking skills, which is coding, math and statistics knowledge, substantive expertise, which is domain knowledge. When you combine these three, you become true data scientist who doesn't just write code but solve real-world problems with the data. Now you have the complete roadmap to start your data science journey with Python. Make sure you subscribe, watch the next video, where we start with NumPy, the foundation of data analysis in Python. Remember, data science is not magic. It is skills you build one step at a time. Let's dive in together.